Hello, hi people from Intangible Heritage Film Festival. It's a great pleasure to be in Korea with our The Last Forest. This film we have shot in the very heart of the jungle among Yanomami people, that's some people that's fighting to keep their culture alive, their way of life alive, and even the forest alive, even if they are under attacks of gold miners that are going into their land and destroying almost everything. But the film is not only about this fight of them, but also to show who they are, how they think, how they desire, and to do and to get this, we invited the shaman, Davi Yanomami, not only to be the main character of our film, but also to be the author. He did the screenwriter of the film with me. So you are going to watch a film that has a shaman as a screenwriter. I hope you enjoy it. Have a good session and thanks a lot.